Then there is a new accounting standard that is currently in the pipeline as at the time of shooting this video in November 2023. That will be published in the first quarter of 2024. And the name of that accounting standard is IFRS 18, Presentation of Financial Statement. This new accounting standard is going to replace IAS 1, the current IAS 1, Presentation of Financial Statement. Among other things, the accounting standard is going to be published in the first quarter of 2024, but will be effective in January 2027. So it's not something that we will be expecting currently though, but it is something that you need to know about. There are a couple of new, accounting issues that we need to look out for from the International Accounting Standard Board's website. Number one is to disclose two subtotals in the profit or loss statement. Two subtotals. So you have operating profit or loss and profit before financing and income tax. Currently what we have is gross profit, and then we have profit before interest and tax. That is going to change to profit before financing and income tax. Then number two, to disclose management defined performance measures, subtotals of income and expenses that are not defined in IFRS accounting standards and that are used in public communication outside of financial statement to communicate the management's opinion on some aspects of the company's financial performance. And then to strengthen the requirements for aggregation and disaggregation of information in the primary financial statements and notes. So these are a couple of things that you need to understand about new accounting standards that we have to be on the lookout for and be expecting as we continue. Then also there is this accounting standard IFRS 17, which is insurance contract. Okay, this standard also became effective in January 2023. Now, insurance contract, this is strictly for insurance companies on how they can account for revenue and profits, and it requires a company to recognize profit as it delivers insurance services rather than when it receives premium, and to provide information about the insurance contract profit the company expects to recognize in the future. So this is typically for insurance companies, so that you don't sit down and you have received premium, you've received premium, but you have not done anything. Then you recognize a profit and record a profit, a huge amount of profit, but you've not done anything. So now you're going to be recognizing profit based on the insurance service that has been provided to clients and not based on premium. And so this is strictly for the insurance companies that you have to also know about if that is an industry that you're going to be in. And really it depends on the objective of the ICA, because this is a standard though, but a lot of things in other industries other than manufacturing organizations are not really covered in the ICA syllabus, and some of the issues have been they cannot touch on all the industries, and some industries are dedicated and are specific industries. So although this standard is there, it may mean that the ICA will never set a question on it or will never ask about it. But it depends. As we go into the future in the revised syllabus, as they look at things, probably this is something that would have to be looked out for. But IFRS 17 insurance contract is an accounting standard that we need to know about. So these are some amendments and new accounting standards that we need to be on the lookout for going into 2024. And some of these are going to be applicable in the new syllabus that will come in November 2024, or will also be applicable in the March 2024 and July 2024 examination as they became effective in January 2023. Like I mentioned, for these accounting standards during our IFRS masterclass, we're going to be taking time to discuss them in detail and also bring out the key issues that you need to be on the lookout for as you go into the exam hall. Thanks for watching, and let me know if there are any other questions, something that you would want me to share my thought on. Don't hesitate, put it in the comment section or the chat box for me. I'm going to be reading all your comments and then answer them in separate videos to assist you so that this journey can be an interesting one, but most importantly, you can pass the exam and take your life to the next level. Remember to like, subscribe, and share the video with others, and let's reach as many students as possible watching these videos and also getting access to our channel, so together we can assist a lot of people to become successful. I'll see you in the next episode as we continue with the journey.